Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Online Shopping Baj. Today I am going to demonstrate how to update Oppo Watch to latest January patch firmware, and also I will tell you the trick to enable Google Assistant voice wake feature. So don't skip the video, don't stop the video, don't pause the video. Just stay tuned till the end. So before we starting to update, make sure that your watch has been restarted, then move ahead. So at first we go to settings and we have to check if update is there or not. So in settings we go to system, then in system we go to about, and then in about we go to system updates. So in previous video I have taught you how to update forcefully. So in system up to date we have to click around 5 to 10 times. So I am clicking it now. See what is happening. Nothing is happening. So we will go back and try again. Okay, now again tapping. Wow, downloading update. See, I have given you live trick on how to download update forcefully. So let's check it. Yes, update is happening. So now let's check what is my older version. Yes, so to check we go to versions, and here you can see it has Android security patch level up to 5th October 2020. So and home app 2.45, Wear OS 2.25 and all that. So we let the system to download the update swiftly, and after the update I will show you what is happening. So system is downloading the update, you can see right now, and it is going to be finished. Just wait patiently to download the update. One more thing, please charge the watch up to 70% before downloading any update. So my download has been finished. We will restart the watch and see what has happened to our watch, what new changes are there. So to restart we again go to about and check system updates. It will prompt you to start. So we click restart and install system update. Reboot in 9 seconds. So wait patiently and wait till watch reboots properly and system update has been processed. So friends, stay tuned in this video. So now my watch has been restarted, and let's see what is happening in the next step. So as we can see, installing system update, it will take some time. Wait patiently. So friends, I've already shown you these steps in my previous video, but I'm showing it again so that you don't get confused and follow the steps wisely. So my watch has been started and it is booting right now. So let it boot, and after that we will check what new changes has been made to our watch. So at first we go to settings and check what changes has been made to version. So we go to system, then about, then we go to versions and tap on it. See, then we check what new update has been installed. So you can see right now it's 5 January 2021 Android security patch level. So now our watch has been updated, and now we will go to see what changes has been made to the system. So stay tuned friends. So we go back and see what are the main changes and main highlights of this update. So in thumbnail you have already seen what are the main highlights. I will show you completely what are the main highlights. So first highlight is camera shutter app. You can now control your camera from your watch, and you can shoot, edit, record your videos through your watch. Now let's see what are the new watch faces. So at first we get here Awaken watch face, in which two variants are there, blue and orange. You can set according to your style. Just see how cool these watch faces are. I personally like it. Its AOD is not so cool. See, only 2 needles. So we now go to next, our watch face Cyberpunk. It also has 2 variants. I have already shown this in previous video. So now you see the official version. So this time, and it has two versions. Let's check it. Wait, let's go to settings, and here one blue and one orange. So blue one is also good and orange one is also good. It both suits to my watch according to strap. And now this is silk flow. It also has two variants. Let's see what are the variants. Here we click on settings. It's sometimes it's very bright, so brightness is low. Now we go to settings and see what are the colors. One is light and one is dark, so you can choose between day and night. Both watch faces are so good and looking so awesome. अगर आप हमारे चैनल पर नए हैं, सबसे पहले सब्सक्राइब का बटन प्रेस करें, साथ ही साथ बेल आइकन दबाएं ताकि आप कोई भी वीडियो मिस ना करें. So friends, now we will cover Google Assistant voice wake feature. I will show you how to enable Google Assistant with voice. Please don't skip the video. So friends, now I am going to show you how to enable Google Assistant via voice in your watch. Previously our watch was not taking Google Assistant voice command. So for using the Google Assistant we have to click the button and then it worked. So now I am going to show you how to update to the latest Google beta software. I think joining the beta will solve the problem, and I am just checking. So how will you get Google beta? Just type here in search bar on Play Store Google. You will get Google on first number and just click it. Now scroll down and go to here. See, you are a beta tester. I am a beta tester because I have already joined the beta. If you want to join, then there will be an option to join the beta, and it takes only 5 to 10 minutes to join the beta. So after joining, just go back and in my apps and game section, just go to beta. Here you will see there are two services, Google Play services. This is already beta, and Google. I have updated Google, and let's check in watch what is the beta version, if any new version has came. So I am going to check my watch. Stay tuned. So guys, after updating the latest Google beta software in the phone, I came to watch and saw that my Google was not been updated. So no new updates was there. So I simply came to my settings and opened my apps. In my apps there was recently updated tab, and here it was Google. So I just came here and got to know that there is old version installed in my watch. This is the new version which I updated later. I will show you how to update to the latest Google Play beta. So this is the latest version. See the date here, 10 March 2021. This is today's version which I got. So how will you get the latest version in your watch? You will, when you will open this, you will get the interface like this. There will be no update button. Just click on uninstall. You just uninstall it, and then go back and just restart your watch. Remember, your watch should be connected to Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi helps to take update much faster rather than Bluetooth. And in assistant settings, you just go and check. Previously my assistant version was also the same as Google, but it is now updated to latest version 12.8.4.25.arm. This is the latest Google beta version, and in this version only OK Google will work. So I will show you how. So after restarting the watch, you come here and go to Google Play and open it. After opening, just go to Google. So you will get one update tab here. as the Google has been restored to factory after uninstalling, you just click on update, and after updating just go back and check here, is the assistant also updated to the latest version. If it is not updated, then just again go back and restart the watch. After restarting the watch, again you come to Google Play Store and open my apps and check the version. This is the latest version. Remember, 12.8.4.25. This should be version in order to enable Google OK Google to detect in your watch. So this is the latest version, 10 March 2021. So guys, you again come to this assistant setting, and after going to settings just go to about, and then you see the version 12.8.4.25.arm. If it is not happening, then just go again to the Play Store and again uninstall it, again restart the watch, and again you go to Play Store and check it. After restarting 2 times, I think problem will be solved. My watch in my watch it happened the same, just like that. I uninstalled the Play Store 2 times and uninstalled Wear OS 1 time, and again then installed it. So after doing this, you see what is happening to my watch. Hey Google, so let me check one more time. Okay Google, what is the time?
It's 3:44 p.m.
So guys, as you just saw, my watch is working and Google Assistant is working properly. So I think if you follow the procedure as suggested by me, then surely the OK Google detection and assistant will open on your watch smoothly. The app is still in beta development mode, so if sometime it doesn't work, don't panic, just report to Google and they will solve the problem. So guys, I want to thank Ian from Italy for giving me this trick and idea. He helped me a lot in creating this video. Thank you Ian, and thank you all for supporting me.
Ok Google, com'è il tempo oggi?
A Massa oggi pioverà, con una massima di 14 gradi e una minima di 9.
So guys, if you are new to my channel, then be sure to subscribe it. Your one subscription, one comment, one like, one share, it means a lot to me, a world to me. Just in comment section you drop your comment. I will try to read all the comments and just I will reply it. अगर आप हमारे चैनल पर नए हैं, सबसे पहले सब्सक्राइब का बटन प्रेस करें, साथ ही साथ बेल आइकन दबाएं ताकि आप कोई भी वीडियो मिस ना करें. So friends, thank you for watching my video till the end. Have a good day. Thank you. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat.